and microteaching. This week you're going to get a chance to look back at the video that you submitted in week 7 and self-assess to determine what you did well on and what you could do better with. In your week 8 folder, you're going to find 2 documents. One of them is the lecture notes, just going over all of the requirements for the week. And then the second link is going to have the rubric, what you will be graded upon, and the actual assignment template that you will use. On the template, you will see the rubric from last week. And remember, what I'd like you to do for your self-assessment is rewatch your video maybe a few times and look for each of the required elements. When you see the required element, you're going to highlight that section. If there's a required element that you left out, you want to leave that unhighlighted. And then under points and notes, you're going to assign yourself the number of points that you think that you earned in the video. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer. You're not going to get a better grade for scoring yourself higher or a worse grade for scoring yourself lower. I just want you to take a real look at what you did in your video and what you can do better to improve. After you go through the rubric and highlight and assign your points value, the second page of the document has some questions related to the dispositions that we learned about in week 2. So go back to week 2 and look at that dispositions document, because the first question asks you which disposition is clearly evident and you were successful with during your engagement lesson. The second one asks you to look for a disposition that was not as evident or maybe not evident at all and that you weren't successful with. Then you're going to think about, if you were going to teach this lesson to an actual class, what might you do differently? And then find 2 goals for yourself related to improving for your next video. As always, if you have any questions or you need any help with anything, I'm here. Reach out to me. Don't feel like you're a burden at all, because that's my job. That's what I'm here to support you through. And I look forward to seeing what you present this week.